Hi, good morning, Siddharth.
Morning, sir.
Siddharth, welcome to this one-to-one interaction with our Chancellor, ma'am, and Director, sir. So let's make this interaction fruitful. Please be very frank in sharing whatever you are experiencing with the university, okay?
Okay, sir.
Great. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, Siddharth, can you put on your camera? I mean, can we see you?
Yes,
He
ma'am,
has
camera is
put it on. His camera is on.
I can't see.
Hmm.
Okay, एक बार I think he has to switch it off and switch it on. I think मैम को नहीं दिख रहा है. I can see मैम him. सिद्धार्थ एक बार बंद करके फिर से on करोगे please?
Now?
Yeah, now it's coming. It's fine.
Great, good.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Siddharth. So, Siddharth, I wanted to ask you that now that term one is finishing, what are the three inspiring ideas that you're taking back from term one?
Like inspiring ideas.
Hmm.
So first of all, the main thing I've learned about Gita, Bhagavad Gita, like I've always thought I would be learning it, but never got a chance. But coincidentally, Shivendra sir told us about Gita. So the first thing, Gita inspired us a lot. And the other thing, I'm not a business student, so I learned about business studies also, and critical thinking classes were I will say those were my favorite. So it finds your creative side.
Yes.
Like business idea, and I'm just looking forward to learn technological stuff too.
Yeah, true. So out of these three courses that you really enjoyed, that share with me what is the inspiring ideas that even in the Bhagavad Gita class, what specifically appealed to you? Which of the many ideas that Shivendra ji taught about that really resonated with you?
He told us about 4 things to take care of in life to be a better person. And one of the point I really liked was attachment you lose, detachment you gain, which is I would say a hard pill to swallow, but it's very true. Like if you detach your from everyone, not having emotional connection with others, you will be mentally stronger.
Very nice, very nice. And in the other classes, what are the something that sticks to you that you think you will use? Also, share any principle that you learned.
In critical thinking classes, those were the classes where we learned how to tackle problems in real life, some techniques like Scamper, and TRIZ. These are acronyms. Scamper means substitute, and then combine, adapt, and such things to tackle problems. So motive of this class is to how to face problems in real life, in business world, or whenever you will be working.
Yes. Okay, great. Yeah.
In the in English classes, it really helped me a lot to speak freely. Like earlier, I was very shy to speak, and studying in an interactive class really helped me a lot. Like I'm little confident now from earlier.
Amazing, 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 amazing. So now that term 2 is going to come soon in January.
Yes,
so tell me, what can we do better to delight you more?
Everything is fine, members. I'm just waiting to have physical classes, offline classes. It would be better. But yeah, I'm really waiting for technological classes, which are starting from, I guess, 4th of January.
Yes, 4th of January. 4th of January. And even these, I mean, when we think of the critical thinking, like you mentioned, the Scamper class and the methodology, you know, those are all techniques, even in technology, that are extremely useful. In fact, we had given it to many of our working adults in our companies, the critical thinking class, which are all engineers. And, you know, they've been engineers for many, many years. And that was their favorite class, because they could put in the techniques that they learned on critical thinking actually in their day-to-day engineering work in the factories. So definitely those would be very useful even in time to come. So great. Over to you, Amit.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, Siddharth. Amit here. So, Siddharth, now that you are in university, first term is over, you will graduate someday. So what are your plans? What have you kind of
Well,
planned for yourself? Yeah, take your time, no issues.
I haven't planned so much, but yeah, the basic plan is to graduate and to work in an MNC, a big MNC as an AI engineer, or maybe to work for Salesforce or something.
Okay, Salesforce you named. Do you like that company?
Yes,
Okay, so you want to work in the field of AI after your
yes, sir.
graduation, and you want to work for a good company like Salesforce. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
And you want to pursue masters, or you want to work after this?
I haven't thought of that, but yeah,
Okay.
if we have to master, so I think there's no.
I'm just asking.
We have to
casually,
shift to America. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm not thinking of master, to be honest.
As of now, you're no. I'm just asking casually. After BTech, you
Yes.
want to kind of work for in the field of AI. Good. Okay.
Yes.
And related to this, what are few things, Siddharth, you are really good at? Some things which are you really good at, some skills, some activities, your passionate area. What are you passionate about? I want to
I
know
think,
this.
so I think I was good at generating ideas. So
Wow.
whenever our teams sit and do brainstorming to create ideas for our business and to solve problems that sir gives us in critical thinking classes. So I think I was good at it. If someone make me understand what's the topic, then
Okay.
I can create ideas, I guess, generate ideas.
That's really interesting. That's really interesting. And any other activity which you are good at?
Like in my life normally. So sir, I started to play a little bit of mental sports like chess. I was good in physical sport also, but I started to
Okay.
play mental sports
Okay.
like chess, and I think I'm good at it now.
So just help me understand, which sports do you play besides chess? Chess I understood, so that's really great. I am taking it down. Yeah.
I played volleyball for 2 years, and I've played football a lot. I was a regional player also in Kanpur when I was in Kanpur. And like every Indian kid, I love to play cricket also. And badminton. Yes, these were the major.
So you are
sports.
multi-talented. You keep playing all these games. You play regularly all these games. Okay.
Like after 11, 12, you don't get a lot of time to play because of coachings and before that I used to play a lot.
And chess, how long you have been playing?
I started to play, I guess this year, only in lockdown.
Okay, this year. So you have just started now. Okay. And you think you are really good at?
Yes, I think I'm good.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, we'll see once we kind of meet physically also, and not even if we meet physically, we'll see how do we kind of make sure that you are able to contribute with these of your hobby skills further. We will plan something. Okay. We will interact soon. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Satyam?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Satyam will ask you something. Satyam will ask.
Yes, hi Siddharth. So Siddharth, थोड़ा सा अपनी फैमिली के बारे में बताओ यार. आपके फैमिली में कौन-कौन है and आपके पेरेंट्स क्या करते हैं?
Sir, my father is a retired army officer, and my mother is a housemaker, and I have an elder brother who is working for a company called Amicus as a software developer. He works for Salesforce, so that's why I get to know about Salesforce from him.
Okay.
And he's 23-year-old, and my father is now just taking care of home, like nothing much.
Okay, so you're just two brothers.
Yes. Small family.
Where is your brother based right now? He works for Salesforce, you said, right?
Yes, sir. A company called Amicus who works for Salesforce.
Okay.
The company is in Raipur.
Company is in Raipur. Okay. Very good.
Great. I think anything else, Siddharth, that you want to share?
I think I haven't. I don't have anything else to say about. But
Great.
I really enjoyed so far in KKM University.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Siddharth. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.